Sensing blocks. Sensing blocks in Scratch sense the input from the keyboard or the mouse at the time of execution of a script. Some of the sensing blocks and their functions are given below. Ask, "What's your name?" and "Wait." Block prompts the user to type the input using the keyboard. It waits for the user input. No other block runs at that time. Touching mouse pointer. Block checks if the sprite touches the mouse pointer, another sprite or the edge. If the answer is true, then it executes the blocks given after it in the condition. If false, then it executes other blocks as per the given condition. Touching color. Block checks if the sprite is touching the color chosen in the block. If true, then it executes a set of blocks, else executes another set of blocks. Color is touching. The block checks if the first chosen color is touching the second chosen color. If true, then it executes a set of blocks, else executes another set of blocks. Key, space, pressed. Block checks if the chosen key is pressed by the user. If true, then it executes a set of blocks, else executes another set of blocks. Let us create a small script to understand the working of sensing blocks. Sensing an input. To add sensing blocks to this script, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the sensing block category in tabs. Step 2. Insert a sprite, Penguin 2, on the stage. Delete the cat sprite. Step 3. Add a new backdrop to the stage architect. Step 4. Now drag the Ask block to the script area. Click on the block. A speech bubble appears above the penguin with the text, "What's your name?" You will also see an input box on the stage with a blinking cursor. You will notice that the input box waits for your input.
Once you type it, your name will appear in the box. When you click the tick button or press enter, the name will disappear.
Step 5. To display the typed name also, click on the checkbox before the answer block. The answer appears on the stage. You can also place the answer block in the Say block. It will look something like this. Snap this block to the Ask block. Now click and see what happens. Penguin speaks the name for the given number of seconds. You can change the question in the Ask block to any question of your choice. Click on the text box and type the question.